Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have decided to bring you guys into my home today and show you how I have decorated for the holidays. So come on in. Alright, so starting here in my foyer, I actually have not done anything just yet, and the only thing that I am going to do is put a couple of throw pillows right there on our bench. Other than that, that's going to be it for the foyer. Alright, so moving into the next space right here is the dining room. So what I did here, I found this buffalo check fabric, I think at Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then this garland that I put on top came from Michael's. And then I just set some candles in the center and this cute little sleigh that I filled with cinnamon scented pine cones and ornaments. And then some candles, and you guys will see all around my house I have these battery operated candles, and I have them because I got kids and I cannot leave fire lit all day. I would just be so paranoid to do that, so I do the battery operated candles everywhere. So over here on my buffet is my little town. Y'all, how cute is this? How cute is that? I cut a little piece of garland and just hot glued it to that car to make it look like there was a Christmas tree on it. But this is our little town here. I don't know where he came from. I'm sure my son put him up there. But I have had this for quite a few years now. It was actually a gift, and I love it so much. I'm actually considering starting to collect. I really do want to collect them. I want like the whole thing. Like I want people and trees and all kind of stuff. So, but right now this is what we have. We have us 5 little houses, or like a school and a toy store and all that good little stuff. These, I actually just placed them over my vases that are here year round. And I'm not sure where I got these from. They were only a couple of bucks or whatever. Got those and just set them there. So that is our display on the buffet, our buffet display. That is the dining room. Oh, and I did decide to do, I just did some garland and a bow up there around the light fixture. And I really did that because what I wanted to do was put a wreath on that mirror, but for whatever reason, my command strip would not hold. It just would not do right. So I decided not to put the wreath on the mirror, or it wouldn't stay anyway. So I just did that to kind of fill in that empty space right there. But yes, there is the dining room. Now on to the kitchen, which pretty much doesn't have much done either. I just kept it real simple. On my coffee tray here, I put a couple of ornaments, and then I also did a little ornament centerpiece on the stove topper. And I have another one of those Christmas trees on top of the refrigerator. And then right here is our little countdown to Christmas calendar. I found this at the Goodwill for like $2, and it's so cute. So you just take the snowflake and you put it in, you know, whatever day. So you can actually do it like today is the 3rd, but you can actually do it backwards too. We could have put it here, and so we'll know, oh, okay, 22 more days to Christmas, and actually count down instead of counting towards. But I've been letting my son do it, and he's been putting the snowflake in there every day. All right, so on here, this is just a little back sitting area behind the television. And all I did here, I just put another little truck with some garland in the back that I tried to kind of make look like a tree on that one. And then we have our nutcracker buddies. Hey buddies, I like them. I found these I think at the dollar store too, like I don't know, $5, $8, something like that. And he is a real working nutcracker, and I think he looks really cool. And then this wreath here and this bow also came from the Dollar General as well. All right, so on to the living room. So what I did, I just changed out my pillows and I put those red pillows there. And then if you can see, those two tan pillows in the front are also Christmassy. There's a wreath and that other one is snowflakes. And then I put my check blanket on the back of the couch. And then over here, I actually made these. This was some extra fabric that I had, and I decided to make a couple of pillow coverings out of it. So that is exactly what I did. And I love how they turned out. They are really cute. And then in my centerpiece tray right here, this little flock guy, this flock tree, I found him at, I think it was Dollar General. Yeah, like $3 or something like that. So I thought he'll be really cute right there, and I just added him to the little centerpiece tray with more pre-lit, or not pre-lit, battery operated candles. And then here on our entertainment center, I have another one of those garland that you saw on the dining room table and over there where the town was. But this time I went ahead and I added more ornaments, and I added lights to it as well. And then I also added a couple stockings at the bottom. So there are a total of 8 of us, but I did not put 8 stockings. I just put 3 just because. And really, as you can see, the theme of my house all year round, it is farmhouse decor. So I really like the buffalo check and the country vibe. So that is what we're going for. Country cozy Christmas, or cozy country Christmas. Yeah, that's cute. Cozy country Christmas. So that's what I'm going for. So lastly, dun, 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 dun. Oh no, hold on, it's not lit. The topper is not lit. Hold on. All right, so let's try that again. So lastly, dun, 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 the tree. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. The tree. You guys, I love how my tree turned out this year. It is so cute. It is full of country style ornaments. So if you look real close, there are little country little whatnots all within here. There are lanterns there. And there are signs around that say holiday. We got a Santa boot down here. And then these bells, I really love these bells. Now these are really for like doors, but I decided to put a couple on the tree and I really like it. And we got our buddy Santa up there in the top. And then this tree topper, I got the tree topper from Hobby Lobby, but it did not have lights to it. So I added a couple of battery operated little twinkle lights just to make it stand out a bit, which I'm glad I did because I really like how it turned out. And then the ribbon I also got from Hobby Lobby and just incorporated a couple of different ribbons all throughout. And I absolutely love our tree. I love how it turned out. It is definitely cozy country to me. country Christmas. I love it a lot, a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday home tour. Leave me any questions or comments in the description box below. Or have you decorated yet? Are you still decorating? I think I'm pretty much done. I don't want to do too much. Well, I take that back. I am going to do something on my island here, just like a little centerpiece or whatnot, and then the pillows on the bench. But other than that, I'm pretty much done. I'm happy with it. It's not overdone. It's just enough. So I am satisfied. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a blessed holiday season, and I will see you on the next one.